Are you preparing for the TOEFL exam and want to ace your essay writing? Look no further. In this comprehensive video, we will guide you through the essential elements of a successful TOEFL essay. Writing a high-scoring essay in the TOEFL requires not just language proficiency, but also understanding the test format and what examiners are looking for.
Join us as we explore a detailed example TOEFL essay that demonstrates effective strategies and techniques.
The key highlights. TOEFL essay structure. Understand how to structure your essay with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. These are key phrases and vocabulary. Learn about impactful words and phrases that will enhance your writing quality.
Also, time management tips. Get insights on how to efficiently manage your time during the essay section of the TOEFL exam.
Sample topic. We analyze a sample essay based on a common TOEFL prompt, showcasing how to articulate ideas coherently. Common mistakes to avoid. Discover the frequent pitfalls students encounter and how to sidestep them for a higher score. Whether you're a first-time test taker or looking to improve your score, this video is tailored specifically for you. We'll break down each section of the essay with examples, helping you understand how to present your ideas logically and persuasively. Why is the TOEFL essay important? A significant portion of your TOEFL score is based on your writing skills. A well-crafted essay can be the key to achieving your desired score. The essay allows you to showcase your command of academic English, making it crucial for non-native speakers aiming for international study opportunities. Tips for success. Practice regularly. The more essays you write, the more confident you'll become. Review sample essays to understand what works and what doesn't. Seek feedback from teachers or peers to refine your writing skills. Join our community of TOEFL aspirants. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips, essay examples, and test preparation advice. We're here to help you succeed. TOEFL Essay, TOEFL writing, writing tips, TOEFL essay, example, English learning, exam preparation, study tips, academic writing. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on other sections of the TOEFL exam, including speaking and reading strategies. Don't miss out. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Let's conquer the TOEFL together.